Hello, so welcome in this video on Cerberus testing, and today we'll share on mobile app testing. So we'll start by introducing around the topic what are the key challenges and issues people are having usually when they are trying to implement mobile testing. And as you see, main problems we have are related to tools, device, and it's a phenomenon that is accentuated because in fact smartphones are complex due to their diversity of operating system, different type of mobile app also, and you have a lot of mobile app interface. So today what we will share is how you can perform this mobile testing in a simpler way with Cerberus and BrowserStack. So we'll start with a simple use case on Android and web browser, and then we'll go on the iPhone application. In terms of responsibilities, so Cerberus is responsible to perform the test and execute the Appium command, facilitate the integration with BrowserStack that deals with all the smartphone complexity. So we will start by configuring the robot on a real or virtual device in Cerberus. Then we'll configure the application, we'll define the test with the various steps in low code, and then we'll execute them, and we'll end sharing how you can scale your approach with CI/CD, campaign, scheduling, parallel execution, or also leverage reporting and analytics. So let's get started. Okay, so we can start the first test will be on the Android device and on the simple browser. So here we can see visually the path of the various Android element that we'll use in our test verification. So the first step you need to do, in our case using the BrowserStack, but it can be the case with a local Appium server or other type of remote services, you need to go here to first decide if you want to use existing app or upload your own one using the file manager or REST API. So for this sample test, we'll start by just using the sample one available that will just enable us to use the local browser. In fact, here we'll see what are the capabilities we need to send to the robot, and you will see how Cerberus can help you to simplify this integration and removing you the need to implement code. Okay, so we'll go in the first step inside Cerberus, which is to create a robot. You can do this in this menu. Okay, so we'll go and check the definition. So in the first tab, so the first step is to select the application type. So in our case, it's Android. For the next case, it will be iOS. You can specify here the platform that will avoid you to specify additional capabilities, and you can also specify the browser if you want to use it when you're opening the smartphone. So the next tab is to specify additional capabilities. So you just need to specify the one that are a bit extra to BrowserStack. So in our case, it's the platform version, but as you can see, you have a lot of other capabilities that are available for you if you want. The next step here then is to configure the executor. And as you can see, we have here a load balancer method I will describe later that allow you to parallelize on various executors. For this use case, we'll only use the standard BrowserStack hub here. Okay, you need to specify the host and the port here, your login and password. The password is encrypted by Cerberus to avoid to being reused or duplicated in other tests, so like that you keep the control, and you need to specify the device name in this field. Okay, so once this step is done, your next step is to define your application, so you need to do this going in this menu here, application, and a bit in the same manner, you need to specify it is an Android application just by selecting the type in this field. The next step there, you need to define to which environment and country your application is used. Again, we'll go to this later, but this will allow you to scale really your approach and to test the same application in different environments or in various languages using the same test. So in our case here, we'll just do a simple test that will verify the integration and the opening of the test. So just for the test configuration, you need to attach it to the correct application. In our concrete case, as we define the production environment, you just need to make sure here the activate prod is set to true. So on the only, you don't need to specify action inside Cerberus as the test is already of a mobile tab application typology. You can just specify here the verification you need. So then the next step you can do directly is to go into the run test page, selecting the correct environment and country you want to execute your test. Select the robot you have configured and you want to run your test on. You can specify here some execution settings that will help you in debug. I will set them here to help later to see the path of the application elements, and just click here on run. If you go in your browser stack here session, you can see that my session have started and I can access the details here if I want to have specific information from browser stack side, but what is important is that you can already see that the browser has been opened, the application, etc. And you have access, if you want, to some specific logs here, but for the test experience you don't need them normally. So my verification is okay. With Cerberus I have access to the screenshot directly here. I can also access the full path inside the application element directly here, so quite useful when you want to then add other type of verification and control. And if you go here in the robot tab, you see that a small icon about browser stack have appeared and the robot session has been set, so it enables you to access directly our session, and you also access to all the robots on the bottom left. Okay, so the second test we'll do will be on the simple iPhone application, which is a calculator. So here we'll share how it differs and how it will be your typical use case if you want to test your own business or personal application. In browser stack you can upload it manually. I'll have done it here and I got another ID, and in terms of difference here we'll use the iOS device iPhone 11. So the difference in the robot is that we specify an iOS type APA. So platform version also has changed it to reflect the iPhone 1, the hub is the same, my browser stack configuration is the same, and I update my device name. In the same logic, my application has been defined as the iOS app, the only parameters that differ, and I have updated also here the host. And now if we go in the test case, so it's a bit more complex for a starting use case, but here for example I have a text screenshot control. You can do here the control you want. I have decided to use the XPath, but you can use other type of selector in the application. And I also specified an open and close apps that are really not necessary. It was more also to verify it was not impacting the test. Okay, in the same way we select here the environment and country, the robot for iPhone we created, and here I will also force some specific logins that will be useful later on. Okay, so the test has been correctly started. I've taken the screenshot, and as you see it's interacting with the application, performing the operation and the action we have specified. Okay, and the test is completed. So if we look at the complete log here, we have also access to the full element path here. We have all the traceability, and we see that the operation that we set has run correctly. Okay, so what I wanted to share right now is how you can now scale your mobile testing approach using the built-in Cerberus feature. So and we'll start from the test. In fact, you can, for example, here click and reuse your step in other tests directly. You can also have access to the data library to do data-driven testing or get some specific test data from SQL or API or databases. You can leverage here all the other actions and controls that are available. You can also define reusable application objects through your entire test, so this helps you a lot to simplify the maintenance of specific object. And in the application, then you can reuse the exact same test case, for example, on the same environment production but for a different country, but as well in a different environment for the same country, and this allows you really to reuse your tests, make them more maintainable and scalable in terms also for your approach. The more on the test execution part, as we shared briefly, there was a load balancing and various executors you can define. So in Cerberus you can easily add executor here, and Cerberus will for you perform the load balancing across your local or remote testing farm. This is quite useful when we want to execute tests in parallel, because the mobile tests are usually very slow. If you don't perform them in addition in parallel, it starts to be too long. The next feature you can leverage is the campaign. And here you can, for example, select your test case criteria here, and you can select, for example, specific use case or system under test. And what is interesting here is that you can, in the same way, for example, run all specific tests you have selected in a particular environment for a set of countries and on all the application device you have configured, for example, on Android and iPhone. And you just need to define this one, and you can then use this in CI/CD or using the campaign scheduler we just see next. In the same way, you can here specify all the test execution traceability. And here, so it's where you can specify the scheduling using a cron tab format, or if you want, you have also the native CI/CD integration with Cerberus, and this enables you to access this type of report also for the campaign, and to verify so the status per feature, per country, per use case on your exhaustive test case list. And the last feature you can then leverage using Cerberus is the test analytics that you can do by test case like here or by campaign, and it enables you to get a visibility over time of your test execution, so in terms of performance response time, but also in terms of status OK, FA or KO, to manage your testability and maintainability. So that's all I wanted to share today on mobile test application. I hope you will be successful in scaling your mobile test using Cerberus. Feel free to contact us for more information. Bye bye!